21 yards, dead into the wind. 121. There's the flag right there. Okay.
Hey folks, it's Albie Trust. Just wanted to go over what happened today. It was real windy, as you know. We didn't have any eagles, no albatrosses, no birdies. We had 6 pars, 8 bogeys, 4 double bogeys. That kind of hurt, but no triple bogeys today, so that was good. We were plus 5 on the par 3s, plus 8 on the par 4s, plus 3 on the par 5s. We hit 11 out of 13 fairways, and we had 5 out of 8 greens in regulation. That wasn't all that good. We had 33 putts. What the fuck happened to my head? Hey, get back there. There we go. My head's all fucked up. So was it. But he didn't lose any balls. Not one. He started with this ball, and he finished with this ball. So, all in all, not bad. The wind was really hard. Rough wind today. So, anyway, no lost balls. That's a miracle in itself, especially with the wind blowing. I mean, sometimes the wind get up to 30, 35, you know? It was blowing really hard. You could see from the birds flying all over the place. Whack, whack, whack. I'm not a fucking duck either. Yeah.
21 yards, dead into the wind.